Hello kids, today I am drawing in dog. I am doing orange color in dog figure. Now I am doing coloring. Let's see how I am doing coloring. Now I am doing yellow color in dog upper side. D for dog. Now I am doing pink color in dolphin. I am doing coloring in dolphin. I am doing orange color in dolphin wings. D for dolphin. D for dolphin. For dolphin, now I am doing green color in D. See how I am doing coloring. Kids, are you seeing how I am doing coloring? I am doing blue color in small d. Now I am finished coloring in D. I am doing D, 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 small d, small d, small d, small d, small d, small d.